I am removing the number 8 cylinder, generally considered to be the worst cylinder on the engine to have to change in the field. The crack is, yeah, it's right there between the spark plug hole and the intake valve. It's a little tiny crack, but the head is cracked.
Let's play it by ear and watch that space on the web. Hopefully we get out of here tomorrow and we take it from there.
Once the repaired cylinder came back from Brisbane, it had to be reinstalled, which was another difficult task for Paul and Chris.
What time is it now?
9 o'clock.
9 o'clock. And we are here since?
7:15.
7:15 in the morning. I have to precise it. You okay?
I'm fine.
Captain?
The following morning when we came to depart Hervey Bay, more problems. And I guess you're already at a relatively advanced state of exhaustion. We had commitments to meet in Auckland, the pressure was on, and if I ever had a moment, that was probably it.
Out in Hervey Bay and doing the maintenance, and especially Paul, the engineer and pilot, worked from early morning till late night. He did a remarkable job, but nevertheless, a couple of hours late, and at a certain moment I said to Paul, if we want to land in daylight at Norfolk Island, we have to leave at 12 o'clock.
Yeah.
Well, maintenance got a bit longer, getting the aeroplane ready, refueling, and so finally we left 3 hours late. If you look behind me, you see the sea. So when we left Hervey Bay, we flew over Fraser Island, and then 1,600 kilometers of this.
Just the sea.
6 hours flying, no alternates, so nowhere to go and no fuel to go back.
For me, Norfolk Island was probably the most dramatic leg. It was at the limit of the range of the aircraft. There were no other options. The airplane was going to meet the ground at some point that night in the vicinity of Norfolk Island. Whether it was under control on the runway or at some point when the fuel ran out because something had gone wrong,